Number two secret wey you no suppose to allow your girlfriend, fiancé or woman know. If you want to maintain her for as long or if you want to manage her for as long as you want. Hi, big boss I don show again and I dey in white colours. Allah, I like this my white cap. I be wetin I think. How una see am? It's my white cap. I'm my favorite among my heart. I no like to have my caps. Allah, I like am no be small. Taxi driver, big boy. I like this my cap. Okay, so by the side. So let's go straight to the video. Now, number two secret you're not supposed to allow your babe know. You're also allow your girlfriend know. You're not supposed to allow your fiancé know. Now be this one of sex. EX. Normally, guys, if babe like you, I don't tell you that sex go happen. It's a matter of time. Yes, Curtis, whatever you name you call him, it go happen. And if woman love you, I swear to God, to no will be your problem. I swear. Now 24/7 she will drop am for you. Right? So that one aside. Now, the secret with the main part with the important for this my message now be say, let's say one day I go come hold you. As this I go hold you now, you won't reduce your litter. Hmm? You want use your litter, now they sleep. You make your move, babe. How far? You push your hand. You make the second move. Babe, how far? More do this thing now. She say no. You say why? She say she don't tire. She don't tire. This and that. She know they in the mood. Blah blah blah. What? You know they in the mood. She know wala now. Waka shege. What you go do be say, you calm down. I say G. No they fight. If woman no give you toto, no show anger to her. Just cool down, calm down. Say okay to babe, no wala. Anytime when you dey ready now, we go do this thing now. It be my own, I be your own. What you go do? Carry your phone, your browse, you check. That's something just to take your mind away while your time. Before you know, I say sleep, you don't carry you go. You don't carry you go. In the morning you wake, behave normal, greet her, everything. Greet her, okay? Then maybe that day myself, pepper corn rest for your hand. Consist, maybe there's one favorite thing which they like. Maybe tea, coffee, chocolate, cake or something. You go arrange them for her. If you can be, wait now. I get something special for you. You collect. You carry am. Say na one kind correct coffee you do for her. We say you hear milk, you hear sugar. Everything chocolate, everything jollof. You give am. You sit down. You sip the first one. You enjoy and say thing man sweet. Right? For her mind, what do you say she go dey calculate? What do you say she go dey calculate? She go say, no be this guy wey I deny Toto for in the night. So the guy come dey look sweet, romantic, dey behave to me as if nothing happen. This guy no even vex. Man, this guy dey different from my other guys. So guys, yeah, and this guy I go stay with. You know dey show anger. Toto no dey make am worry. So wetin be the problem now? Wetin this guy come get now? See say you don scatter her computer, but meanwhile, rats, you go wound am. You go come back for her own turn when she dey desirous of you. But that time, you and Pepe, you get. And if you don't do this one, I bet you, she will take you among the number 1% of the 99% of the guys which don't date as very special. You don't go anywhere. If you say, you know the vex for something like Toto, if say every man go the vex for it, you can't like you more. Then you can't use it, can't take and they package your life. You whole lot the maintainer. But meanwhile, I control nobody your hand. Only level day for another day. So this one can be that. So no they allow man when you go for your moves and she deny you. No show her your weak point, say you the vex. Because anger na weak point for sex. Yes. So just hold that side apart. So she will like you more. Then you won't be say you got the package at the go at your own timing until you decide otherwise. Big boss here.